My name is Ashleigh. I've worked at Mersen for just over 5 years. I work in our inspection department as a CMM programmer and the inspector in our aerospace division. So what I do is program all of our first article inspections, which are usually new pieces ordered by our customers. I do all the programming on the CMM for that. Occasionally I use our OGP. And for our aerospace customers, I do any of the verifications that they need dimensionally and go through and verify that all the paperwork is in the packets, make all the certs, and just do a final check before we take it to packaging to make sure they have everything that they need. My team. I love my team. My team leader and my coworkers in my department are the best part of my day. They're very supportive, and I don't know what I'd do without them. They're a great bunch of guys. I'm a huge math geek and I like problem solving, so CMM programming is actually a perfect fit for me. I'm absolutely very, very happy where I'm at. I'm sure there is opportunities to do something different, but I'm not interested. I've actually found the perfect job for my personality.